Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am sharing with you an amazing happy mail that I received from Tracy. She is a Crafty Rebel as a part of Serena B's Crafty Rebel group, and she has made me this incredible little Valentine happy mail. It is the sweetest little box of goodies. She has gifted me this cute pink doily with these fun chocolate. So there's caramel macadamians, and this one is milk chocolate covered macadamians, and as well as these jelly bellies. So we had to create a mood board for what our secret partner would be inspired by, and I love the Crate Paper All Heart collection, and she has created for me a tag flip from that collection, and she has used one of the Thicker's phrases to be the focal point on every tag, with the background of all heart paper and the 3 little blings in each. Here she's got a doily inlayered behind there, and I really love this paper. You are beautiful. This is so pretty, and such a sturdy tag flip as well. Like, it really has a lot of weight to each of these cards. It's a really nice heavy weighted cardstock that she sent to me. So in addition to that, she actually sent me one of my all-time favorite, I'm in love with, puffy stickers from the All Heart collection. And if there is one product that I love more than any other in any line, it is the little tiny puffy stickers. They are just adorable. Like, they're scrumptious. I can't get enough of them. So let me share with you the pocket letter. I had unboxed this all for you with my initial reactions, and it didn't record, so now I'm just showing it to you as a share. I wish you could have seen and heard my excitement, because I honestly was just blown away at how gorgeous this is. So I adore the way that she has mixed all of these Crate Paper collections. This is La La Love. This little girl is perfect. She's like me. She's like a little brunette, and I actually love all of these little girls. The ones with the pink hair, so cute. I love these florals. Not sure if this is more of like a Maggie Holmes floral, probably. This is one of the florals from the All Heart collection, but she has just done the most amazing job. She has taken one of the prize ribbons and she's popped up her own heart to replace the one that was there with this fun 3-dimensional, this is actually, I recognize this from the La La Love collection. La La Love had silver, but it looked a little off from silver. It's a little bit almost like a rose gold sort of silver, and she's popped that up on an enamel, or not an enamel dot, a puffy sticker. Not even a puffy sticker, like a 3-dimensional foam sticker. She's got these gorgeous little XOs in here, and here she's combined the La La Love with the All Heart collection, and you can see with Crate Paper how well like their colors match together. This is another one from the All Heart on top of this fun paper. It's gorgeous how she's used this little bit of washi tape on each of the pockets to just ground the little tag that she has in the back. I love this little heart. It's one of my favorite pieces from the La La Love. Anytime you put these little smiling eyes on anything, I just find it so adorable. You make my heart happy, hey you. This little holographic lipstick. That's one of the things I like about this collection, is this sort of holographic look that they have to so many things. And then in the back, she has gifted me these gorgeous little packages, and I was blown away to see that each one is individually packaged. So she's got a little piece of cardstock perfectly cut for the size of the bag, and then she's tucked in a little gift of gems. In this one, she's given me some gorgeous hearts. There's so many in this package. Oh, the white and red. This one, it looks like she has made me some rosettes, which is the same thing that she's shown me how she has used here. And it's out of like a silvery crate paper. It's fantastic. Again, packaged all up just so perfectly. There's this adorable little gem heart package. And my, of course, favorite all-time gift to receive has to be sequin mixes. I love how there are sparkles of pink all mixed in with the other pinks and reds and iridescent whites. Super pretty. Oh, and there's some little hearts in there too, some little iridescent hearts I just noticed. That's wonderful. She's got this beautiful washi here for me. I love how she has kept everything so neat and tidy and thin in the package, and they're just like all these wonderful little gifts. This is amazing. I have to find out where Tracy got these bags from because that's such a neat idea. And I just love how it just keeps everything all so neat and tidy. And then the best for last, perhaps, I love little tassels as well on these paper clips, and she's packaged those up so cute and on that pretty pink paper as well. So thank you so much for watching. Tracy, thank you so much for this gorgeous gift and all the little extras that you gave me, the little goodies, the puffy stickers. I really appreciate everything so much. I will link a video here of what I sent to my surprise Crafty Rebel partner, and you can see what I created for my pocket letter. I actually also have a pocket letter process video to how I made mine, and I will link that at the end as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.